This is a screen recording for how to submit your book. When you are done working on your All About Me book creator and you're ready to turn this in, you're going to close your book and you're going to come down to the choices below your title. Here are your sharing options. So click on your sharing options.
Are you supposed to share your screen?
You're just listening to me record. So then you're going to click on Publish Online. And it says, okay, are you sure? The title looks good to you. This is your name. And everything looks good. You're ready to publish. So you'll publish the book. And it says your book has been published. Okay. Now in blue, you're going to see this copy link. Copy the publish share link to clipboard. You want this. So click on that. And now I've copied the link. Okay. I'm going to now go to my Canvas. Go to your assignments. Go to your S1 in-class All About Me book creator. And you're going to click Submit. And when you click Submit, you're going to paste your link in where it says the website URL. Okay? And then click Submit, and then it will tell you your submission details. All right? I'm going to answer any questions that anybody may have right now. Any questions about this right now?
What do I have to do? I was doing something.
That's okay. I'm recording this, and I'm going to give you the recording. Any other questions? All right. So I'm going to finish the recording, and then I'm going to send you the recording so that you have it for later.
Yeah, okay? But I mean, like, to submit?
Hold on one second.
So I go to assignment and all about